Alright guys, I'm here today with the Wurkkos D30. I'm going to do a quick unboxing for you here. I already unboxed it because I needed to charge it. First thing I gotta say to you, charger, garbage. It was terrible. From the box, the power cord that it came with didn't even work. So I used my own charger to charge the battery. With that out of the way, the battery is now fully charged on this. Comes with a very original style lanyard, a couple spare O-rings for the battery, instruction manual, and that's pretty much it. Set that off to the side. Now, the user manual is many different languages, but the only part that I really needed was the top part here. It's all very straightforward. Aerospace, where is it here? 6061 grade aluminum casing. It's pretty industrial. Probably get scratched up pretty easy if you got keys or anything else in your pocket. I didn't really do a drop test with it or anything because I didn't want to break the glass in it. I do like the feature of having glass rather than, say, the Olight Warrior Mini with a plastic lens. The plastic has actually melted a few times on other people. Glass, we won't really have that issue, besides breakage. Now, as for the flashlight itself, it's very bright. I did a demonstration with it last night and recorded that. That'll be later in the video. But I pitted it up against the Olight Parent Mini 2 and the Olight Warrior Mini, and it held its own pretty good. Size comparison, the bodies are about the same thickness, a little bit thicker on the Wurkkos DL30. But the Wurkkos DL30 has 3 lenses as compared to the single. Or sorry, 3 emitters as compared to the single. About the same height as the Parent Mini 2. Or, sorry, just the Parent 2, not the Parent Mini 2. All in all, it's a pretty decent flashlight. My kids really enjoy running around the house with it at night. Some things that I've noticed about it, though, are if I have a magnet in my pocket. Well, let's do it. There it is. If I have a magnet in my pocket, it turns the flashlight on. I blinded myself last night while walking outside, carrying the Warrior Mini and the Wurkkos together. I was holding it like this, and I go to unlock my door, and I totally blinded myself. Yeah. So, all in all, it's a pretty good flashlight. I'll go do a durability test with it right now. Come on outside. Okay, so I just did the torture test to it, but I forgot to hit the record button, I guess. So I got a few scratches here. There and there. On the tail here. I'll do the torture test again and actually get it on record this time. So first one was from table height. Lens is fine, minus scratching. Second one was shoulder height. Again, just minor scratches, little concrete embedded in the aluminum. Glass is still fine. And finally, the toss test. Glass is intact, just minor scratching. Light still does all 3 functions. Pretty good. 2:30 in the morning here in Edmonton, Alberta. I'm just going to do this real quick so I don't wake up my neighbors. Alright, so this is the Wurkkos DL30 Diving Flashlight, and welcome to my backyard. Setting number 1, setting number 2, setting number 3. Not too bad. Now as a comparison test, this is the Olight Warrior Mini. Setting 1, setting 2, setting 3, and turbo. And then yet another comparison is the Olight Parent Mini 2. So Wurkkos, Parent Mini. Sorry, that's not the Parent Mini, that's the Parent 2. And Wurkkos again. And Warrior Mini. Warrior Mini is more of a thrower. The Wurkkos is kind of like a combination thrower and flood. Okay, so we did the light test, we did a torture test, and we did a comparison between all the lights. For final thoughts on the Wurkkos DL30, I am very impressed with how durable it is. It survived my little torture test quite well. Just a few minor scratches in the finish. But I'm actually quite surprised that the glass held up as well as it did. Not even a mark on it. Quality rise, it feels kind of cheap just in the hand. Like the dial kind of scratches its way around. It's not smooth. Kind of, you can probably hear it. Yeah, it's kind of rougher than it needs to be. It'd be nice if it was like a smooth click. I can't talk, as it is a diving flashlight, but I can't speak to the waterproof of it. I haven't tested it underwater or anything like that. Kind of live far away from any natural water bodies, so. But I think it did quite well. In comparison to, say, an Olight, the Olight feel much more quality, but they are a more established brand already. So, as for a company that I've never heard of before, they did pretty good. I like it. I don't really have many complaints besides the garbage charger and cable that it came with, and the fact that you have to remove the battery to charge it. Both the Olights, all of the Olight range that I have, you can charge the battery right in the flashlight. But the fact that it comes with a sizable battery, and the fact that it lasts quite a long time, actually, were both bonuses for my testing purposes. And that's it. That's all I got. Take it easy.